So here we are, guys. Right now, today is January 30th, and the chart that I'm looking right now is on gold. I usually trade gold and Bitcoin. Usually, sometimes also the Nasdaq E-mini futures, but not that really into it because it's hard for me to analyze the charts just yet. And I'm kind of liking gold and Bitcoin so far. I've tried Forex before, but I don't seem fond of it lately because of the markets, of how they move recently. So I'm kind of focusing on Bitcoin and gold alone. If there are times that there are setups that presents on Nasdaq, then I will take the trade. Otherwise, I don't usually look at the Nasdaq. So for this video, I'll look into Bitcoin. First of all, I start with the monthly, as what they all say, from top-down analysis. So we start from the monthly, and let's see where the market is going. Let me just remove all the joints here. Start with, so I'm currently using ICT concepts. If others, I think other people know about it already. For some that do not know about it yet, so I use ICT concepts as part of my trading plan. And then okay, so going back, I start with the monthly for analysis, see where the PDRA is that has just been hit or where the price is currently at on the monthly chart, and then move down to the 5 minutes to find entries. So today is Thursday. I usually start analyzing on Sunday to make sure I get a head start of what the market would be like for the next week or so. So right now it's Thursday, we can't really just analyze it from the start of the week. So we'll just, for the video, for educational purposes only, we'll start for today. So today is Thursday. I'm not seeing any PDRAs getting hit just yet, aside from this swing highs and then swing lows. Previous month has already been taken. We mark that up. So since it's already January 30th, it's gonna be the end of the month. So might be the next month would be a bullish candle again, because Bitcoin is still rising and it keeps getting higher and higher. But we do not neglect the PDRAs that was left behind on the monthly, because this is gonna be a strong price point or a price reference that the price might want to go back from this level. So we got a fair value gap here and a swing high. Previous month's swing high has been taken and there's been a retracement. Not much here on the monthly. We move down to the weekly. So as we can see, this order block has been taken. So a retracement from this order block, and then it went up. So that's the current price we're looking at right now. So we go down to the daily, So it's Thursday. The price just keeps getting higher after hitting the weekly order block. Move down to the daily time frame. We see this high up here. Already taken. And then this order block. Bullish order block. Already taken. We can mark this on the weekly bullish order block. Okay. Let's put it that way. And then, so since the weekly order block has been taken and it respected the weekly order block, we're gonna go down to the daily and see what PD arrays are showing and then where the price might be going next. Previous days has been going lower. It went down to the daily order block. Let's label it this one, daily order block. PD arrays been violated but respected. No, it's just been not really violated, but previous PD arrays have been taken but respected. Again, the next day after that went back to the order block, again respected. So we're seeing bullish prices again. So this is for today, Thursday. Monday and Tuesday were down close candles. Wednesday and I think Thursday is still gonna be an up close candle. So we're gonna take a closer look to the today's daily market structure. So we move down to the 4-hour and see what was going on. So we mark all the PD arrays that are showing because the 4-hour is gonna be a strong time frame that PD arrays are getting respected. These are highs. ICT refers this to as liquidity points. Price doesn't really wanna go down, so it might hit this price point and then comes back retracing. Mark this bullish order block. What I'm amazed, guys, is that if you get down to the lower time frames, you will see that every PD arrays, if the price really wants to push in a certain direction, PD arrays are just keeps getting respected, and you'll see the price continuing to where it wants to go. Say for example in this scenario. So from the 4-hour, you can't really see anything. There's no clear PD arrays on the left side aside from this swing high, the 4-hour swing high. So if you move down to the 1-hour time frame, you can see here. By the way, guys, I'm using ICT kill zones and pivots by TFO for this one, just for an indicator that I can use for market sessions, because as what ICT is saying or teaching us is that the markets move, or it's mainly composed of time and price. not price and time, but time and then price. So market sessions plays a huge role in your trading career. So I'm just following what ICT is saying. For this example, the daily just keeps getting higher. We started from the Asian session. By the way, guys, I can only analyze the charts in the evening because I still have a corporate job in the morning, and then I end up working until evening. So it's the only time that I can analyze the chart. So for this one, we have a 1 hour swing high. Since I still have work in the morning, I can only trade in the evening once I get back from home. So the time right now is 11:53 in the evening, Thursday. And the time in the New York session, I always set my time in my TradingView in UTC -5. Always New York time zone. ICT always says that make sure you set your charts on the New York time zone. So whatever he's teaching is already aligned and you will not be confused. The orange box that is showing here is the Asian session, this one, and the purple one is the London session. The move takes place in New York session. Usually. So this is on the 1 hour time frame. If you move down to the 15-minute time frame, you'll see better pricing, better price action, and you can see a better move from here. And the 5-minute is what my entry time frame. Let's say the market wasn't really trying to push price higher in the Asian session. It just moved past this swing high and then consolidated until London. And then in the New York session, it took the London session low and then moved up, and then for a bit doesn't really want to go down, which means the price really wants to go up, respected this swing high on the 1 hour, and then pushed up. Where the price would go might be on this highs. I also use Fibonacci's for any retracement. This might be a 50% retracement. Not even close to 50%. Okay, so it's 4 minutes to 10 a.m. New York time, and the price, we still have 4 minutes. So since the price has moved, guys, ICT always says that there's always opportunity. The price has break through. This is what ICT is calling a manipulation. It took these left me. There's always some retracement. Let's say if the price will come back here, we put an entry. This is on the consolidation stage before it pushed the price higher. See, we want to enter a trade on this part. Stop would be here. Says here it's 88 pips. I think 88 pips is just a huge stop for me. I can't really do this, but instead I want to see a 50 pip stop from this low. So I'm gonna move that price point. Usually my limit for, or my take profit for gold or Bitcoin is 150. But again, this is Bitcoin, guys. It's every move is huge, and 50 pips is just too small for it. But for gold, I think this would be a nice opportunity. Let's see. Again, for Bitcoin, guys, we have an analysis. We just wait for it. We just wait for a retracement here for an entry. If it doesn't go here, or maybe here, or here, which is the 50 pip stop, chances are you're just gonna miss the trade, and that's fine. We don't get greedy, we don't get FOMO, because the trade has left you. We stick to our rules, and whatever rules we have, we don't break it. Hopefully I don't break it, because previously, before I started this YouTube channel, I just keep on breaking my rules, breaking and breaking. Maybe I'll just move this from here. Okay, so here, 66 pip stop. Let's see another. So since it wants to go up, can we adjust it here? Okay. I like this entry. Let's just wait, guys. Let's just wait. We wait. So we've done analyzing Bitcoin. We go to gold. Right now, gold is getting higher. We start on the monthly for top-down analysis. Monthly high almost being taken. We mark this up. This one's opened. The high is 2790. And then, okay, not much from here. It's just this OB. I want to see this OB. We can see the market, where the market was after we go down to the lower time frames. For now, we're just gonna mark this as M for monthly, then bullish OB plus OB for bullish, then monthly swing high. MSW swing. becomes a breaker, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Okay, so we already moved past from here. Not much from the weekly. A weekly breaker. Move down to the lower time frames. Daily swing points. Daily swing points. Yes, taken. Swing high. Yes, taken. Since these swing points have been taken, let's see what the price will do after this has been hit. It might still go up, take this high, and end the week with a bullish candle, with an up close candle, and this becomes an order block. Daily order block. Okay, let's mark this daily. Let's move. So let's watch where the price went. Okay, where is this? High is 2766. 12. Open. So open is 2762.8. Okay, let's go down to the lower time frame to see a better view of the price. So this is where the day started, and it just went up and up and up, going higher, leaving tracks, leaving fair value gaps along the way. This means a stronger push to the upside if it has more fair value gaps. If this happens, there are higher possibilities that these highs, these swing points will get respected. Okay, this is the previous daily high. Taken. This is the 4-hour, guys. If you want to know what the price is doing on the lower time frames, let's look at the lower time frames. Again, price just keeps getting higher. In the morning, we started here, consolidation in the Asian session, a spike up in the London session, and then a retracement here on the New York, and then just went up 115 pips or so. Yes, 120 plus pips. So let's move down to the 15-minute. Not much in here, but again, guys, every session is important. Every session highs and lows. By the way, this I don't know what's the color of this. I think it's magenta. So this magenta color box represents the New York afternoon session. So afternoon session high was respected. We went on consolidation, and Asian high or today's Asian high, but it did not do that. So we try to move down to the lower time frame to see any retracement. So this price is really not the price I wanna or I'm comfortable trading with, because I'm still learning the craft. So some guys might see this as an opportunity to catch a few pips, let's say 80 pips or so, or maybe 60 or 70 pips or so. But for me, I need more confirmation. Usually if the price is getting this high, I want to see the price move or take these lows here, or respect this low maybe here, and then a rejection up, and that's my confirmation for the trade if it wants to go higher. But we did not see that, so I guess we'll pass on the trade. So not much of a trade, guys. We took the previous daily low, daily high I mean, and it's New York session. We want to see if it wants to push this previous month's high and then rejects back inside of it, so we can try to enter on the retracement. Maybe tomorrow. It's Friday tomorrow. As what ICT is saying, there are also market weekly profiles, if I'm remembering it well. Weekly profile serves as your guide of where the market is typically going within the week. So you start to analyze from Sunday so that you'll get prepared of what the price will do or will try to do the next week, so you can prepare for your trades. So I guess that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video.